today we're making easy Crockpot Minestrone. Come with me, I'll show you how easy it is. So this is a pretty easy recipe. What we're going to start with is 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, 1 cup of diced cut onions, 1 cup of diced celery, 1.5 cups of carrots. I use baby carrots. 4 cups of broth, and I'm going to use the Knorr vegetable broth. 2 cups of cabbage. I'm using purple cabbage in this recipe. 8 ounces of sliced mushrooms, or you can do your own. About a cup and a half. 2 tablespoons of minced garlic. 2 28-ounce cans of diced tomatoes. You can use crushed tomatoes, whole tomatoes, do whatever you want with them, but this is what I'm using. 2 cans of dark red kidney beans, drained, rinsed and drained. Make sure they're drained all the way. And do the same for 2 cans. I think these are both 15 and a half ounce cans. So all 4 of them would be, but again, rinse and drain these as well. Then we're going to do 2 bay leaves, 1/4 teaspoon of crushed red pepper flakes, 2 teaspoons of minced garlic, and this is more of like your dried minced garlic, and then 2 teaspoons of dried chopped onion, 1 teaspoon of oregano, 1 teaspoon of basil, 1 teaspoon of Johnny's seasoning, or your house seasoning, whichever you want to use, and 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Also add 2 cans. This is 15-ounce cans of diced potatoes, also drained and rinsed. And there you go. That's all the ingredients. Seems like a lot, but it's not. Pretty easy. Just throw it together. And I also forgot about 2 packages of New Orleans style andouille sausage. And I'm going with 2, but I may not use the full 2. I'll let you know as we go along. Then as we get to the end of the recipe, about a half hour before we're done, we will add a cup and a half of pasta. Usually Ditalini, small shells. There's all different types. It's kind of what you got or what your pleasure is. So we'll do that later on. Okay, let's get the easy minestrone going. First, you're going to want to plug in your pot. And then basically we're just dumping everything in. So in order, 2 tablespoons of oil. I'm going to go ahead and get my vegetables in as I turn this on to high. So celery, onion, baby carrots, cabbage. Some of this will cook down, so it seems like a lot, but it will cook down. I'm going to go ahead and throw the beans in. Remember, again, rinse and drain. Then the mushrooms, potatoes, and sausage. Okay. So, got my garlic inside there. So I'm just dumping that in there. It will cook down. And sometimes I will reserve some of it and add it as it cooks down, but we'll see how it goes. I'm gonna swish it around, make sure I get everything. There we go. Then you put your lid on, and like I said, that'll cook down. Cook it for 46 hours, and when we get there, I'll be back. So I think this is done. Look at that. All that. Noodles done. Meat's done. Let's give it a taste. Oh, gotta pull out my bay leaves. I think I see, there's the other one there. Oh, it's hot. Good job. That's my go-to recipe for minestrone in a crock pot. Tastes good. Give it a try.